Hi everyone, welcome to the No Code Web Development track. My name is Oluwatoye and I'm going to be guiding you through how to build websites using Framer without actually writing a line of code. So don't worry if you've never done this before. I'm going to take you through step by step process on how to go about it. But today we are going to be working on something amazing, which is creating your Framer account and also getting familiar with the platform. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what no code means. No code simply means building websites or apps without writing code. Instead of coding, you'll be using visual tools, you'll be dragging and dropping and editing elements, which kind of makes it easier and also beginner friendly. So, what is Framer? Framer is a no code website builder that allows you to design and publish your websites very fast and simple. Yeah, I would say that very fast and simple once you know how to go about it. And one of the fun thing about Framer is you get a responsive website. Yeah, so you can create beautiful layouts, images, animation, all of it without coding. And it also has AI features that can help you generate content and even design sections for your website. And at this point, where does AI fit in, or where does AI comes in? So throughout this program, we'll be using AI to make our work faster because we all know we are in the world of AI, right? So you can use AI to generate website content. You can use AI to get layout ideas. You can also use AI to write content for your website. So AI is more like your assistant, so you don't feel stuck. AI is there to help you. Yeah, so now let's get into the video on how to create your Framer accounts. I'll see you there. Hi everyone, you are welcome back. So I'm going to be walking you through how to create your Framer account. If you already have one, you can just sign in, and if you do not already, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So on your browser, you are going to search for Framer. I already done that already. So you are going to search for Framer and you click on it. So once you click on this, is you are going to see this. So you have the option to log in and to sign up. So because I do not have an account on this Gmail account, I'm going to click on sign up, and you have two options. Is either you sign up with Google, or just write your email, your work email, and continue. But we are going to be signing up with Google, which is like more easier to do. So I'll pick this account. Then you so my name is Oluwatoyin, then my last name is um Olajide, and you click on continue. So you are going to have all of these questionnaires. So it's basically for personal projects. What's my role? I'm a designer, and I'm going to continue. What are you building? I'm going to be building website. So how much experience do you have with the tools? So because this is a new account, so I'm going to pick I've never or rarely used them. So how did you hear about Framer? Let's say I heard from X, which is Twitter, and I'm going to click on get started. And so you have the option to download the app, or you continue with the browser. I already have the app, but you signed it on a separate account, so let me just continue with the browser, and you'll see the next thing that's going to come up. So let's wait. My network is a bit slow, so let's wait. All right, so we have templates. So one of the fun thing about Framer is you already have some template that you can work with, and if you do not want to work with the templates, or you already have your own um design that you want to design, you are going to click on this blank to start a new project. But if you want to work with any of these templates, you can click on any of these templates, and if you go here, you will see business templates, where you have all of these templates that are available, and most of them are free. Then you can see agency templates, you can see resume. You can actually create your resume using, you can use Framer to create your resume. But because we are not picking a template yet, we'll probably just cancel this, and this is what you're going to see. This is your work area where you're going to be working in Framer. Hi, welcome back. So because we've already created a new project or a new site, this is what you are going to see. And don't worry about what you are seeing at the moment, because we are going to touch about it in the coming days. We are going to like explain better in the coming days. So for this right part, they are like the pages and layers, and this side here, which is the right hand side, this right hand side here, it is where you edit any element that is coming on this canvas, right? On this canvas, I mean. So we are going to see in the next video. Welcome back. So now that your account is created, here is your task for today. So before your task, you have to make sure that your Framer account is created. You've already created your Framer account. And now to the task. So you're going to write down what kind of websites you want to build. So for example, you would say, I want to build a website for a skincare brand that helps women to find the right products, or I want to build a website for um let's say for my portfolio, for your own personal branding, or let's say I want to build a website for my mom's shop, or I want to build a website for my dad's business. So something like that, right? So keep it simple, do not pressure yourself, because from next class we are going to go into depths on how Framer works and how you're going to get started with creating your website. So if you run into any issue, please do not hesitate to mention it on the group. Take your time, complete your today's tasks, and I'll see you in the next section where we'll start planning our websites and with the help of AI. So thanks. I'm going to see you in the next section. Bye.